Hello, welcome to my channel. Before we get into the video, I have to do a disclaimer. No products mentioned or used in this videos and all my videos do not have any sponsors. If you like to see more Crockpot videos, please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share. If you want to leave any suggestions in the comment section, please do so. Even if you want me to find a recipe that your mom or grandma made, list the ingredients that you know is in the recipe, and I'll do a search for you. Now, on to the video. Today I'm making Crockpot pulled chicken. I'm going to be using chicken that I already cooked, but if you want to use a rotisserie chicken, take off the skin and cut up the meat and shred it basically, and then barbecue sauce. I like Sweet Baby Ray's. I'm using sweet Vanilla onion sauce. Now we'll put the two together on to the video. The first thing you have to do is plug in your Crockpot because it works a little bit better if it's plugged in, and turn it on high. Then we're going to dump in the chicken, all the chicken. I'm just making enough for me since I'm by myself. And then add barbecue sauce. And add some and stir it in to see what it looks like. I'm going to stir it in now. We may have to add more. Probably are. Make sure it's nice and coated. You want it properly coated. We need all the chicken coated with barbecue sauce. This is an easy recipe. You can do it with any type of poultry you like. I'll add a little bit more. And we're going to cook it for 3 hours. Cook it for 3 hours. Now we put the lid on and cook it for 3 hours. To make sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the crock pot. You want to get it nice and hot. And then put the lid back on. This is what it looks like done. I only had to cook it 2 hours to get it hot because I didn't have that much chicken in here. But if you want to do more, you would have to cook it longer. I'll plate it up for you. This is what it looks like done. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Thank you.